In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to Microsoft Teams. This can be incredibly useful if you want to collaborate with people outside your organization, whether they're clients, partners, or others who might benefit from joining your team's environment. So, let's dive right in and take it step by step to make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll want to look for the Communities option in your Microsoft Teams interface. This is where you'll be able to manage different community groups and settings, allowing you to customize your spaces for various purposes. Once you're there, you'll notice an option to create your own community. This is a powerful feature that lets you tailor your team's experience. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose an option that best fits your needs. For the purpose of this example, let's go with the business category. This setting is great for a professional collaboration space. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click on Create, and your new community will be set up almost instantly. Now that you have your community ready, it's time to invite some members. Look for the Invite Members option. This is your gateway to bringing new guests into your community. By clicking this, you'll be able to invite people by entering their names, email addresses, or phone numbers. This flexibility means you can easily connect with anyone, whether they're within your business network or outside it. After you've entered the information of your guests, you will see an Invite button. Click on this once you've added everyone you want to invite. Doing so sends out the invitations to join, and your guests will receive notifications with details on how to join your team. If you need another way to access the Invite option, there's a handy little shortcut you might find useful. Simply click on the three dots located next to your community name. This action will bring up more options, including the Invite Members feature, making it doubly easy to manage your community connections. And there you have it. That's how you can successfully invite guests to Microsoft Teams. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be inviting people in no time. I hope you found this guide helpful. If this video did assist you, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to catch more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.